Hello everyone. I hope you all are extremely doing well. So today I am going to show you the course which is offered by Udemy, Excel for Accountants Mapping Table. Those who want to learn this skill can go to this website named as cognizance360.com. The link is in the description box. Go and check it out. So here is an article for Excel for Accountants Mapping Table. The description who's this course, and if you want to do this course, and it's a limited time period offer, so click here for free course, and you have to create an account with udemy.com. After creating an account, enroll now for the course and earn a certificate after completion of the course, and earn a certificate which you should add it to your resume, so the enhancement of your skills and career will increase. So the link is in the description box for our cognizance360.com website. Go and check it out. Adios amigos.